Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So, in the computer classes, we are going to do something interesting. You know what? We are going to know about coding. The purpose behind this is that you can create your own interactive stories, games, and animations and share your creation with others around the world. Isn't it interesting? So first of all, we will know about what is coding. So, coding is the process of creating instructions for computers using programming languages. Coding is used to program the websites, applications, and other technologies we interact with every day. Computer coding is used in computer programming languages to give computers and machine instructions on what actions to perform. It is the way humans communicate with machines, and it allows us to create software like programs, operating systems, and mobile applications. So what do you think? What is the coding and where it is used? Coding is used for communicating with computers. People use coding to give computers and other machines instructions on what actions to perform. Further, we use coding to program the websites, applications, and other technologies we interact with everyday life. So, let's proceed with what is block-based coding. Block-based coding utilizes a drag and drop learning environment where programmers use coding instructions blocks to construct animated stories and games. It's an entry-level activity where you can gain a foundation in computational thinking through visuals as opposed to coding that is based in text. So, what do you mean by the blocks? When we mention blocks, it's a way to describe the chunks or pieces of instructions a user is putting together in order to tell their creation what to do. For example, Scratch programming. Scratch programming is a block-based programming. So blocks are further divided in motion blocks, looks block, sound blocks. So let's discuss the blocks of Scratch programming. First of all, motion block. It is used to control movement, telling sprites, that is, Scratch images, to move and turn in relation to the sprite itself. Other sprites or a certain position. For instance, with one single block, creators can tell a sprite to move forward 10 steps or turn 15 degrees to the right. The second one is looks blocks. It is used to change a sprite's appearance and can make a sprite say or think something. Change costumes or backdrops, or even change the size or graphic effects of a sprite. For example, creators can tell their sprite to display a text bubble and say hello for a 2-second duration. The third one is sound blocks. The sound blocks are used to add sounds to a story or game or edit sound effects like pitch and even change the volume of different sounds. For example, a sound block can be used to start playing a meow sound, and then another sound block can be used to stop all the sounds. So block provide a valuable learning experience with you. That's all for the first session of the Scratch. Soon we will discuss about the sprites of the Scratch, and the next session will be totally based on the Scratch programming. We will discuss about the Scratch programming. So your doubts related to this video will be cleared in the doubt session. In the next video session, we will discuss about Scratch. Thank you so much.